At thoughtbot, we believe there's always a better way to work, and we need to share what we learn with as many people as possible. Knowledge sharing is core to who we are at thoughtbot. We believe that it's how you actually improve how quality software gets built. And that's one of the most important things to us, that software that's being built is solving a real pain, that it's being built with quality, and that it's going to be maintainable for a long time. That goes for, of course, the software that we build or that we help build, but we also want that to go way beyond us. We want to extend that far out into the community so that others can improve how they work and how they build products. There are a bunch of different things we've done over the years to share what we've learned. Through our blog, our podcasts, our books, meetups, mentoring sessions, and we encourage the entire team to speak at conferences, really all around the world. We have Upcase, which is an online learning platform, as well as a resource center specifically for non-technical founders. Finally, our playbook is a super transparent document that describes how we approach client engagements, but also how we operate internally. And you can find all of this on our website, thoughtbot.com. I think one reason that people are drawn to working at thoughtbot, and one of the threads that really connects all thoughtbotters, is that we are all passionate about sharing what we learned. Mentorship is actually a big part of our client engagements as well, helping our client teams become better at what they do so that when we leave, we've actually leveled up a team and they're actually performing even better and achieving greater things. When we share our knowledge, it's not revenue driven, which can seem odd for a business, but we have a huge stake in the tech industry, the business of creating software, and we want everyone to be able to make better decisions when they're making software. In this day and age, our lives are run on software. They play a huge part in how we operate, how countries run, how communities run, how we connect with each other. If everyone's solving real problems and approaching problems from a human perspective, and if some of our knowledge can help impact that and help people create better solutions, then we feel like we're really doing our job.